Hi guys, in front of me is DOOGEE S Punk, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message. So once you've got your keyboard open, tap on settings icon, go to languages and mark add keyboard. Now choose the keyboard that you want to use. You can either scroll all the way down till you find the preferred one, or provide it in search area to make it a bit quicker. Pick the language, tap on done. If you want to remove some language, mark edit, click and remove, then go back, and from now on you got this word icon to switch between languages. Okay, so let's give it a couple of seconds to apply. And as you can see, now you can switch between languages smoothly here. If you want to leave one language only, just mark settings icon, go to languages and remove also the second language. Now you have one language only and word icon disappeared. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.